children, this is your NCERT example, and this diagram is given in your book. Here in this diagram, this is positive charge and the direction of electric field is this, and we have considered the 2 point P and Q in the electric field region of positive charge, and this is the negative charge, and this is the electric field region. Electric field lines are coming towards the charge, and A and B, 2 points we have taken in the region of electric field of negative charge. So the first question that you have to find out the sign of Vp minus Vq, potential difference between P and Q, and the potential difference between B and A. Okay, so in this condition, first of all, you all know very well V is inversely proportional to R. So see, point P is at a less distance compared to Q for positive charge. So for the positive charge, R is less for P, so Vp will be more, and Q is at a larger distance, so R will be more, so V will be less. So that is why potential at P is more as compared to potential at Q. So the potential difference Vp minus Vq is positive. Clear? Now see, in this condition, this is negative charge. So negative charge, for the negative charge, again we will apply this condition, B as at a larger distance. So B at a larger distance, R will be more, so V will be less negative, because for the negative charge we have to consider the sign of the charge in the expression of potential. So R will be more for B, so V will be less for B. But V will be less for B means what? At B the negative potential becomes less. So V be less negative because distance of B is more than distance of A. So potential at B is more as compared to potential at A. So VB minus VA is also positive. Okay. Now the second part, you have to find out the sign of potential difference between A and B and between Q and P. Now you all know very well the formula of U, potential energy, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R. Here in this expression also you have to take the sign of charges. So first of all, according to question, when a small negative charge moves between point Q and P and A and B. So see in this figure, a small negative charge is moving between the point Q and P. Q and P. Clear? So when the charge is at Q point, which charge? Small negative charge. So when the small negative charge is there, you will substitute the value of Q1 and Q2, and R will be more. You will find the negative value because one charge is positive and one charge is negative. But at Q, R is more. R is more, so U will be less. U will be less means this value will become less negative, because this is positive and this is negative charge, so answer will come in negative. But R is more for Q, so U will be less. U will be less means it will become less negative. Clear? So potential energy at Q is more compared to potential energy at P, because for P R is less, so U will be more, but the U is negative, so negative energy increases, so that is why potential energy at P is less. So PE Q minus PE P, it should be positive. Now consider a small negative charge is moving from B to A, no, from A to B. So when a small negative charge is placed here and here, you have to find out the potential energy at A and at B. So see, in this condition both the charges are negative, so negative charges multiplications comes out to be positive. So potential energy will be positive for negative charge. But see, distance A is less, point A is at less distance as compared to B. So for the point A, R is less, so U will be more, and for the point B, R is more, so U will be less. That is why potential energy of negative charges will be positive when you will substitute in this formula. A is at less distance than B, so potential energy at A will be more as potential energy at B. That is why the difference will be positive. Now the third part, the sign of work done by the field in moving a small positive charge from Q to P. When a small positive charge is moving from Q to P, so you all know very well, potential at P is more at potential at Q. So if a small positive charge is moved by external source from Q to P, एक्सटर्नल सोर्स से अगर आप किसी चार्ज पॉजिटिव चार्ज को Q से P पर लाएंगे तो वर्क डन हमेशा क्या होगा, पॉजिटिव. लेकिन इस केस में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन तो ये है, तो वर्क डन बाय द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, जस्ट अपोजिट. एंड द वर्क डन बाय द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन मूविंग अ स्मॉल पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम Q टू P विल बी नेगेटिव, क्योंकि चार्ज जब यहाँ से यहाँ आ रहा है तो वो एक्सटर्नल सोर्स से आ रहा है, तो पॉजिटिव वर्क डन हुआ. लेकिन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की वजह से ये चार्ज पॉजिटिव है, तो ये दूर जाएगा, तो वर्क डन क्या होगा, नेगेटिव. दैट इज़ वाई वर्क डन ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन मूविंग अ स्मॉल पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम Q टू P इज नेगेटिव. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज साइन ऑफ वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल एनर्जी इन मूविंग अ स्मॉल नेगेटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम B टू A. अब अगर एक स्मॉल नेगेटिव चार्ज B से A आ रहा है तो व्हाट विल बी द वर्क डन बाय द एक्सटर्नल सोर्स. ओके, तो यू नो वेरी वेल फोर्स इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू R स्क्वायर. तो अगर एक स्मॉल नेगेटिव चार्ज B पॉइंट पर होगा, ठीक है, तो उसके ऊपर लेस रिपल्सिव फोर्स एक्ट करेगा ड्यू टू दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज. ओके, सो स्मॉल नेगेटिव चार्ज एक्सपीरियंस लेस रिपल्सिव फोर्स एट B देन एट A. वर्क हैज़ टू बी डन बाय अस. हमें वर्क डन करना है B को नेगेटिव चार्ज को B से A ले जाने में with the external source, but electric field is in this direction. Direction of electric field is this. तो देखिए work done has to be done by us against electric field. So work done by external energy from B to A वो क्या हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. क्यों, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन भी यही है. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन यही है, एंड वर्क हैज़ टू बी डन बाय अस अगेंस्ट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. So work done by external energy from B to A will be positive because it experiences a less repulsive force here and more repulsive force here. Okay, now the last part, kinetic energy of small negative charge increases or decreases in going from B to A. अगर हम चार्ज को B से A ले जाते हैं तो जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगी स्मॉल नेगेटिव चार्ज की जो B से A जा रहा है वो इंक्रीज़ करेगी या डिक्रीज़ करेगी. तो सी रिपल्सिव फोर्स इंक्रीजेज व्हेन द चार्ज इज़ मूविंग फ्रॉम B टू A. अगर हम नेगेटिव चार्ज को B से A ले जाएंगे तो उसका रिपल्सिव फोर्स क्या होगा, इंक्रीज़ करेगा. और अगर रिपल्सिव फोर्स इंक्रीज़ किया तो वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाएगी, डिक्रीज़ कर जाएगी चार्ज की, और वेलोसिटी डिक्रीज़ करेगी तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या हो जाएगी, डिक्रीज़ कर जाएगी.